Hi student, today we are going to learn 9th standard science part 1 topic number 11. Already we have started this topic, reflection of light. Okay, so in that topic we have learned already types of mirror and ray diagram, how to draw in concave mirror. So today we are going to learn some sign convention of distance and height related to the mirror. Sign convention means whenever you solve example related to mirror or lens, or whenever you draw mirrors, object in mirror or images, then we have to consider distance between object and mirror, distance between object and your image, height of your object, so many height of your image, so many things are we have to consider. But whenever you solve example, then that time you want to use these numerical words, means numbers, and whenever you solve example, then there is very important of sign. There are two signs, you know that, positive and negative sign, and both also very important whenever we solve example. So see this diagram already in your textbook given detail. So I will explain this how to take sign whenever you solve example. Suppose see, whenever you keep object, we keep object at the left side of mirror. Now this is your concave mirror, and this object we keep always left side, and right side you get image. Okay. So left side. Now if you consider this is axis, this is your principal axis. This is suppose imaginary y-axis we draw, then we will get 1, 2, 3, 4 part if you consider axis. But see, now if you consider this is mirror and this is principal axis, then also you will get 4 part. So most of the time we keep our object at the left side. So distance between object and mirror, see this. Okay. Suppose here is what? Object, so I can use this duster. Suppose this is duster, is object, and this is mirror. So distance between this mirror and object we call as a u, small u, and we always take in a negative. The sign of object is always negative. So example, see, suppose distance between this object and mirror is 5 cm, then minus 5 cm. Whenever you solve example, then this distance between this object and mirror will come minus 5 cm. But if you get image of that object here, means suppose 2 cm, so that positive 2 cm, positive sign we do not want to write down. Image, which image will get in this portion, so that image distance between mirror and that image distance will come positive. This only. We are talking about these two blocks. If your object is here, then distance between object and mirror will come positive, negative. And if your image is in this block, so distance between mirror and your image will come positive. Keep in mind. And distance between object and mirror we call as a small u. Distance between image and mirror we call as a small v. Keep in mind. And next, now we are talking about height of object. Now this is duster, so duster has height. So you know that height always we take positive only. So your height of object will come positive. Okay, if your object height this much, again 3 cm, then positive 3 cm. And your image is this side, then image, it will be the large or small, suppose 2 cm, then positively. But if your height is downside, means like that, your height is here like that, inward and downside, so it will come negative. Means downward height is always negative, that keep in mind, because we do not measure our height in downward side. If you downward side, if you measure, then it will come negative. So if your object is like that, we suppose duster is like that, and image you get like that, then it will come minus 3 cm. Okay, same here also. If your object image is here and then downward, then again minus 2 centimeter. So this thing keep in mind. Okay. One small part length that is related to the sign convention about focal length. Focal length means distance between pole and focus. So it is concave mirror. Then focal length of concave mirror is always negative, and focal length of convex mirror is always positive. Keep in mind. Focal length of concave mirror is always negative, and focal length of convex mirror is always positive. That thing keep in mind. That can be asked for fill in the blanks also. Means concave mirror, then negative focal length, this. But in example they will give means word format 5 centimeter. Focal length of this concave mirror is 5 centimeter. But while solving you have to write down in negative form. So that example also we will solve. But now you have to consider this much things, then you can understand all things. And now we will see the uses of concave and convex mirror, and afterward we will take that example. Okay.
Now we will learn what are the uses of concave mirrors and convex mirror. See, there are points you can write down in your notebook, very important, can be asked for exam also. Uses of concave mirror. Concave mirror is used in barber shop, dental hospital to magnify the image of object. Means we can see that object in large, means in zoom type we can say. In torch or headlamp of vehicle, maybe you have seen at the night, see focus of vehicles. So there also they use concave mirror. Fluid lights. The sources of light in place little beyond the center of curvature of the mirror, the given bright beam of the light. That fluid light you can observe on means on road, highway roads. Then next is a uses of convex mirror. Convex mirror is used in side cars and convex mirrors. Means see, whenever we use our vehicle, so you can observe that side mirrors of all vehicles are made up of convex mirror. Big convex mirror are fitted at the gate in the square, that already you have seen, but you can observe this picture. See this picture I have taken at the Columbus Ray 1 warehouse is there, and out of that warehouse on gate this mirror is fitted, which is convex mirror. If you observe, my picture in mirror is very small and wide angle as compared to the real picture. Means in convex mirror large quantity of area can be covered, and we can prevent accident due to this mirror. So this mirror is very useful in vehicle also and different gates also.
See, now I have written 3 formulas. We have to write down your notebook and you have to learn these 3 formula, because in test and also the small changes are there and same formulas are there. Okay. This is mirror formula. 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is equal to 1 upon F. V means already I told, distance between image and mirror. U stand for distance between image and object. And F means focal length. M means magnification of mirror. So M stand for H2 upon H1. H2 means height of image, H1 means height of object. Again magnification formulas are 2. Second one is V upon U. V means you know that distance between mirror and image, and U stand for distance between mirror and object. So these 3 formulas are very important whenever you solve example related to the concave mirror or convex mirror. But keep in mind, for concave mirror focal length will be negative always, and whenever you solve example, then that time keep in mind while putting the examples, means that proper values. Now we will solve example. In your textbook one solve example is given, so I will read it and I will write down given and we will solve it. Okay, listen properly.